Today we're going to install Windows 10 off a 1 gigabyte USB flash drive. Let's get into the video. So luckily I found this website that lets you install Tiny 10 ISO. Link for which is down in the description. But anyway, let's get into the action. But first, we need to download the ISO, and it's currently downloading. It's just at 500 megabytes out of 600 megabytes. I'll let you guys know when it's done installing. Alright, done! Alright, here we have the USB plugged in. Now let's stare at the screen. Readjust the camera. And here we are, open with Rufus. That's also linked in the description if you want that for some reason, but anyway. Disk or ISO image. Select Tiny 10. Open Tiny 10.iso. MBR, obviously. Windows 10. File system, NTFS. And start. Yes, okay. Shut up. I'll see you guys later when this is done. Alright, now it says ready, and let's go see it. Alright, so we can confirm that this thing actually has 1 gigabyte. Now let's go install it on another PC I have. Alright, we have the TV switched over to the HDMI source where this computer is on. Wait, why is it still on? I haven't even... Come on. Okay, there we go. Plugging in this gigabyte flash drive I made. Wait, why is it still turning on? Okay, yeah, it turned off. Let's go turn it on. Now the computer's turning on. Now let's see what happens. Let's see, F12, it's Dell. Press 1. Alright. Alright, we're booting into the system. Also, my goodness, this screen is glossy. I apologize in advance for any time you have to see me. This thing's so reflective, I could probably do a makeup tutorial with it. But anyway, jokes aside, now we're going to install Windows 10 from this 1 gigabyte flash drive. Install now. Setup is starting. Let me guess, it's going to ask us for the product key. It says the hourglass thing. Yup, it asks us for the product key. So for now, let's go with I don't have a product key. Your copy of Windows will automatically... I accept the license terms. Custom install Windows only. Let's see. Delete this partition. We couldn't delete the partition. New. It's gonna error out, is it? Well, in case I do have an error, you guys are all gonna witness this thing. But anyway, time for it to get some drive space. I don't think this will be compatible, is it? Hang on a second. I have an idea. This is a virtual machine. Let's see if we can get that installed via there. Alright, now let's see. Can we even get Windows 10 installed? Because it kind of feels like there's no spinny thing, like it usually does when it boots into Windows. Alright. we're here at the Windows screen. Next. Install now. Setup is starting, setup is starting, setup is starting. Oh, wow. Hang on 1 second. Alright, I reset it, and now it's so blurry. It's not detecting the hard drive in Windows, so I'm gonna call this quit for now. Like and comment if you want to see me do a part 2.